天Temple. Today, really important day. Baishatun Mazu entered Beigang超震撼 Temple, and look at these energetic crowds. Worshippers pouring into Beigang. Today, really important day. We're going to have sacred incense ash division ceremony here. It is also the purpose why we are doing pilgrimage. You can think of this ceremony as a spiritual recharge for Mazu to boost her divine power. First, the master takes the sacred fire from the temple's eternal lamp and places it into the main incense burner. Next, we burn the petitions, those big yellow papers, with the names of all the registered worshippers. Finally, the glowing incense embers are scooped into a special fire pot and carried all the way back to Baishatun Temple. And we're to do it today here at night. So, but right now we are over here. Welcome Mazu to enter Beigang超震撼 Temple. And right here I'm going to teach you some Taiwanese. When Mazu arrives, and people will shout out loud, "Jino, Jino." It's Taiwanese. It means welcome, please enter. So later on, shout out loud together, "Jino, Jino, Jino," to welcome Mazu. So this is a really iconic and very important, impressive moment that I would love to share with you. This year is so special. Mazu moves so fast. My guess, maybe because like the weather is not really good. So to prevent the rain, maybe, I don't know. Just imagine like around 400 kilometers pilgrimage and no one knows what's going on. And the route is not planned in advance. Mazu is the one who controls the signatures. We don't know how fast Mazu will move. We don't know which route Mazu is going to take. It all depends on Mazu, and Mazu decides. So this year, really special, super fast this year. This is the route that Mazu is going to take, and look at a lot of people waiting for hours and already really excited to welcome Mazu over here. So this is the place where the signature Mazu will park over here. Okay, people get really excited, but before Mazu arrives, we have a lot of things happening over here. We have some parade formation, some classic parade formations from Beigang. A really classic parade formation from Beigang. 老斗塞, 老图师. And these children are so cute, they're so talented. Yeah! Oh my god! The crazy crowd right now in front of Beigang超震撼 Temple. Look at the energetic people! Wow! Hey, okay, big fan over here! Raw! Right here in front of Beigang超震撼 Temple. People are so excited, waiting for who? Waiting for Mazu! I have a super crazy idea. We're going to play a wave dance. 说到我好不好？开始！Everybody energetic! 精神在哪里 ？Good job! Good job! Good job! 小心哥！36执事，我第一次看到36执事走这么快，哇！这次的妈祖的速度非同小可哎，真正有够紧的紧呐！耶！哎！ Oh, head flag is around the corner. So this is the African parade moment. Oh my god, I'm so really excited. Half flag is the flag in front of Mazu. So if you see the head flag, that means Mazu is arriving. Mazu is super close. Head flag right now they are walking but after they arrive their position, they will really rush. It's really running like an Olympic goat, super fast, directly rush into the temple. So this is also a really iconic, hyper moment for everyone to capture this really exciting moment. A really exciting moment. We will rush into the temple with the half flag team. So get it ready. Baishatun Mazu, and also Champion Mazu, and also Luzu Mazu. This year really special. The first year we have 3 Mazus in one signature. So right now we're going to invite Mazu into Beigang超震撼空拍。Into the Beigang Temple, then the gate open. After Mazu enter Beigang Temple, don't leave, please stay, because we're going to worship the Jade Emperor. Not only worshippers are worshipped inside the temple, also the worshippers outside the temple, they are also doing the worshipping. Imagine thousands of people need to get their incense, they need to pass. So this is a good teamwork for everyone. Passing the incense and also collecting the incense and sending everyone's wishes to Mazu. It's a great success. Imagine, you travel 150 kilometers on foot to arrive at Beigang Temple. You need to be really proud of yourself. And also, a big thank you to all of those people helping these worshippers. For example, someone provide food, someone provide massage, someone provide performance to entertain worshippers. These people are all really important. So, a big thank you for everyone. Once again, if you want to know more information, information about Taiwanese culture events, don't forget to subscribe and of course, leave your comments. And feel free to share with your foreign friends so that more people get to know our Taiwanese culture. I will see you next time. Bye! Oh my god, it's raining right now. Right after Mazu signature entered the temple and it started to rain. I told you because this year the schedule is pretty different. My guess, maybe because like the weather is not really good. So to prevent the rain, maybe I don't know. Mazu signature entered the temple super early. Mazu know it's about to rain. So after Mazu signature entered the temple and it started to rain. What a coincidence! It's so amazing!